Welcome to my channel. It's a noisy day here because I want to show you this simple, affordable Shimono Turbo vacuum cleaner. Well, this is not your dream kind of vacuum cleaner, and I am sure you might be having a better one, more advanced than this one. This is an easy one, and I assume it's affordable. I didn't buy it, it was a present. So I do videos about grocery hauls and food, anything food. I do time and money saving videos. I do fitness motivation because it is very important for you to stay active. And I also cook recipes, fun food, healthy food, everything food. So let us go to the video. Shimono 2-in-1 turbo vacuum cleaner. It is a vacuum cleaner. At the same time, it is a blower. All right, it has the blower function. So you see all those pros: high performance, high capacity collection container, 3-layer washable filter, universal flexible hose, plus attachment. It's lightweight. Yes, your child will use it to clean your carpet without problem. Pulley function, special bonus. Charge base spin for charge to air bed, floor attachment kit included. This machine is very good. Power usage, very economical. Not about the branding, it's about functionality. Sometimes it's all about the value for money. So it is very ideal for cleaning those places that it is hard to reach, kama kwa kona za viti na vitu kama hizo. It really reaches very nicely. So I kept this box because 3 years on. Why would I keep? Because it has the extra extra stuff that comes with the machine for you to change, and some other things that I use less of. This is the collection bit, which has this. All right, I had to wait for it to be dirty nikuonyeshe like the work it does. Okay, here, see this, all this, and then the particles will be in this. See the particles here in after like vacuuming thrice. Yeah, thrice. So hizo ndio uchafu. The good thing about this thing is it's washable. Nikitoa hizi vitu zote, I'll get a place to empty them just here and I show you. Nikizitoa zote, I'll just soak this in water and wash it thoroughly with a brush without worry. This has been in use for 3 years, guys. Simona, the other one sija change, so it is good. Now I am just from washing these, cleaning these, that's the right word. All right, sijui English, by the way, so I might be saying things I don't even know what they mean myself, so it's okay. Point of focus, tuangalie hizi vitu zimeoshwa. This, look at this, the double layered, it's called what? Let me check. It's called the 3-layer washable filter. All right, this is now the 3-layered washable filter. Hiyo ukiosha hivyo unayanika. This for your kitties or any other place that you want to use it on. Unaiosha like this, unaipanguza, unayanika, and yeah, very economical in terms of electricity, very safe in terms of your children using it. 800 watts. All right, see that? Very simple to assemble, very good in terms of maintaining it clean. This vacuum cleaner is a go-to if you want to spend less money and get something that gets the work done, which is the point. It's not about the brands, like I said. The only disadvantage, I don't know whether it qualifies to be a disadvantage here, because vacuum cleaners are known to, yeah, make noise, a lot of noise. But yo, hii itafanya hata urukwe na akili. You don't want to vacuum when uko na stress zako or something, or maybe itakuwa therapy. What do you think? Let me know. That's noisy, all right, that's noisy. But if I have to choose the noise versus me bending over and bending over, okay, me taking the broom and sweeping my carpet and collecting those things and not being able to collect the dust particles, then I will choose this any day. Does this look familiar? Anything? Does it look familiar? Of course it does. I know you want to say no, but the truth is, kwa viti, sometimes you wonder what you're going to do just to make sure that you clean everything out. To be able to clean everything nicely, this will siphon out all the trash that will be hiding here in terms of dust. If you have children, you know this is not funny at all. So it will do it nicely, yeah, removing everything just bila kukusumbua akili yako. Less, the chair is all clean. If you want to like deep clean it, you will use the siphoner after wiping it with a damp cloth with some kind of detergent and your disinfectant, and it will leave your chairs looking so clean. This was just a vacuum demo. It's nothing like deep cleaning, which really works here. I am very thankful. I have enjoyed the process for keeping this carpet neat and clean. One thing it does so well is to collect the dust particles, of course, the work of the vacuum cleaner. I know you know that. But another thing that I do, because I am not the carpet wash kind of person, I learned a trick from someone. So she told me that the best way to keep your carpet is deal with the stain immediately it happens. So this machine has helped me so much, because what happens is immediately there's something on the carpet, I wipe it and then napitisha machine, and that is it. I checked on the machine in Amazon and other online platforms, and all I could see was the C-016. This I didn't see for the pricing, I don't know whether it is still sold or not, but what I know, Shimono is a good brand. Or like generally I have a food processor from the same brand, and it has lasted like 4-5 years or something, everything intact. Like the only thing it may break, it's out of like, yeah, poor storage or poor usage. So I wanted this to be a simple, just letting you know about the Shimono 2-in-1 turbo vacuum cleaner. If you want me to do like the assembling and the usage in terms of what to connect where, what is best used where, then let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for being here. My name is Rachael. Videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. I will see you then. Bye bye.